Hello everyone and welcome back to Trading Byte. And in this video, we will be discussing the strategy which we use to trade Bank Nifty. Okay, so a lot of DMs and questions were there regarding any strategy for Bank Nifty index. Okay, so you can use this strategy in any index. I'm not specifically saying this strategy for stocks, but you can use this strategy in any index. Okay, not only Bank Nifty, you can use this strategy in any index worldwide. Okay, uh, so before starting, uh, let me just tell few points which are really important. Okay, so first thing, if you like this video, if you like this strategy, don't just like, comment, share, and subscribe, but give more focus on sharing this strategy with your friends, with your family who are into trading. Okay, because what happens is uh, whenever any creator or any trader give this kind of strategies for free, people try to resell the strategies. Okay, you will immediately see someone selling this strategy on their page, on their Instagram handle, on their courses. Okay, so before anyone sell this strategy and charge money from anyone, make sure that we share this strategy with as many as people as possible. Okay, so that everyone can take benefit of this. Okay, I am using this strategy and I don't need to sell this strategy because it is already giving me enough money. Okay, I don't need anything else from this. But I've seen a lot of people taking trainings from various companies, from various pages, and they are saying that we are just getting the strategies which are already available on YouTube for free, on internet for free. So before anyone resell this strategy to anyone, I want you, if you like this, make sure you subscribe, you like, but give more focus on sharing the strategies with as many as people as possible. Okay, so if you like this, there is the link of Telegram channel, Discord server, and our website in the description box. Do make sure you check it out. Okay, and now let's get in the strategy. So in the strategy there will be three more important points which I will be discussing in the end. Okay, so let's just get in this. So we are not using any fancy indicators in the strategy, but we are taking help of pivot points. Okay, it's easily available on Trading Byte or any other platform you use. So just standard pivot points. Okay, nothing else. Now before we start, I want you to understand how these pivot points work. Okay, so let me just quickly explain. So you can see here this area, right? This is the pivot, this is the R1, this is the support one, right? So whenever the price is between this range, we call it the no trading zone. Okay, we are not trading anytime if it is breaking or breaking up or breaking down the pivot. Okay, there will be no trades. We are only taking trades when the S1 or the R1 or R2 is broken, right? Only R1, R2, and S1, S2 is giving us a breakout, then we will take the entry. We are not trading between these zones, right? We are not trading on the breakout of pivots. Clear? So this is the first thing before starting getting into the strategy. Okay. So now it is very simple. It will hardly take 2 to 3 minutes to explain the strategy, and I've back tested the data also. So you can, I've already recorded this data, so you can easily see the results. Okay, so let me just go to this again. And okay, so we plotted the pivot points on the screen, and the entry is very simple. Whenever the S1 is giving us a breakout, we will short it, and our target will be S2, right? You can see here it gave us a breakout today. We entered and it reversed and gave us we had the stop loss, right? Same, if it is giving us a breakout of R1, we will enter for R2 as our target. If it is giving us a breakout on R2, we will enter as a R3 as a target. Okay, let me just get here. Okay, see here we got a breakout on R2, we entered, and here we hit the stop loss. Similarly, on 28th we had a breakout of R1 and we entered and we hit a target of R2, right? See here breakout of R2 and we entered and we closed somewhere around here near around 3 p.m. Okay, we missed the target by just 20 points. So this is how it will work. Okay, so there will be two ways we can get the entry signal. Okay, first normal breakdown of supports. Okay, we will short if it has trading below in between this and it break the S2, we will short. And if it is trading between let's say S2 and S3, right? If it is trading between this and if it gave a breakout, we will buy, right? It is the normal, support and resistance thing, right? The support act as a resistance and resistance act as a support. Okay, so we will enter accordingly that. Okay, now another thing is we have to maintain, the second important point is we have to maintain the risk to reward at least 1 is to 2. If it is not matching 1 is to 2, don't enter. Okay, this is the biggest edge of this strategy. Why we are getting successful, why we are having great results is only because of this high risk to reward. It's not much high, but 1 is to 2 is very good risk to reward ratio if you are having consistency in trading, not just in making profit but in trading. Okay, if you are trading regularly and consistently, you can capture big moments, right? See here when the market fell down 4%, we easily captured 193 point between this wall. Why? Because we got the breakout of this S2 right here. Our target was this 193 and we kept the risk to reward of 1 is to 2. Okay, so now how to calculate this stop loss and thing? Let's get to that point. It's really easy. Let's say we got the entry. Let me just remove it right again. Okay, so we got the entry signal right here. Just to remove it again. Okay, so here we got the breakout. Okay, we entered here and we first calculate the target. Okay, possible target is 295 points. So accordingly to that I will adjust my stop loss. Okay, so here I'm getting the risk to reward of 1 is to 2. So 148 points is my stop loss and I'm getting for a target of 295 points. And if the target is not achieved before 3 p.m., you can close it on whatever price it is trading. Okay, so in this case we closed it on 180 points profit. Okay, as the target was not achieved. So this is how you will be calculating your stop loss and make sure you are keeping the risk to reward of 1 is to 2. Okay, so not just profit, you will be making losses, a lot of losses, but the losses are very small and the profits are very big. Okay, we are capturing 195 points here and we are losing 85 points here. Okay, 95 points here and we are losing 61 points here. Okay, so we got the reversal here. Okay, we easily got 140 points, and there are days when we got 240 points, we got 214 points. Easily see this. No trading in this zone. Between whenever it is trading between this S1 and R1, it is the no trading zone. Once it gave the breakout of S1, we shorted and we booked on the next support. Easy. Okay, we got the breakout and we made a loss of 63 points. Profit of 214 points, loss of 63 points. Okay, see here. Okay, it opened up above R1, right? So I will buy only if the R2 is broken, but it break down the R1 again. Okay, so it is traveling in this range, and if it is breaking the resistance which is acting as support, I will short, right? And the pivot will be target. we captured somewhere around 333 points here. On this day, R1 broken, and we captured 301 point till 3 p.m. Okay, it met the target, but we exited on 3 p.m. and we captured 300 points. Right, so this is how you will be trading using this strategy. Okay, now few points to remember. Okay, which are, if we are having the breakout candles way too big. Okay, right here you can see way too big candle, right? The open was 30805 and the closing was almost 200 points in one candle. We have to avoid this kind of entries. Okay, we entered here, see the small candle breaking the S2, right? And we got the momentum, right? So avoid this big candles. Okay, here we again entered, but it is not that much big. Okay, somewhere around 100 points, so we can easily see 100 points candle in Bank Nifty. If we didn't entered here. Okay, we didn't got the proper risk to reward, not here and not here. Okay, on this day, see here again a very big candle in the starting. We avoided and we entered on this small candle of S2 when the S2 is broken. Right, so avoid entering after the big candle. Okay, very huge candles. Right, 200 points, 250 points, 300 points. Avoid that kind of candles. Okay. So this is how you will be trading using the strategies. And let me just remove the drawings, this drawings, and I will show you the data. Okay, the results. So let me just go to this. Okay, so you can see here, just yeah. Okay, so this are the number of trades in this B column you can see, and this is the data from October till 30th December. Okay, so almost 3 months I have collected this data. Okay, I have recorded this data, and we got 38 trades. Okay, using this strategy. Okay, these are the results. Okay, 95 points minus, 95 point minus. Okay, this is the column which is showing the profit trades. So we made somewhere around 4,000 point approximately profit in this 3 months, and we made a loss of 1800, 4,000 points of profit and 1800 points of loss, 1900 points. Okay, and net we gained 2,115 points. Okay, in this 3 months. Okay, our success rate is only 52%, but still we managed to capture 2,100 points in Bank Nifty. Okay, and I've just calculated this brokerage because I think this is what somewhere around they charge. So even if we are getting charged 200 250 rupees on per trade, okay, our brokerages charges will be 7,600 rupees. This is our gross profit, calculating this with the lot size, and this is our net profit. In 3 months, just by trading one single lot of Bank Nifty, you could have made 45,275 rupees extra. Okay, so what I want you to explain is, if you are ready and disciplined to use this strategy on a long-term horizon, you will be successful guaranteed. Okay, if only you can implement the strategy on long term. Okay, if you want to use this for just one day, 2 day, I'm right now saying don't use this strategy. Only if you can use the same setup over a long time, you will be successful. Okay, the biggest loss I want to share was this 197 points minus, and the biggest profit was this 333 points. Okay, so this is how, and every month on an average you could have made 15,000. The success rate is only 52%, but still due to the high risk reward, we are making good profits. Okay, so let me just get back to chart. And okay, so few key things. uh, if you can use the strategy on a long term basis, it is really successful and profitable to you. The same type of strategies we use in crude oil also, but it is in our course. Okay, so that is not what I am sharing here, but this strategy is really helpful for me and I want to share with all of you. So that's why I'm sharing it for free out of my course, putting it outside. And still I've included earlier this in the course, but I think uh, 2020 is already being hitting hard on everyone. So let's just help as many as people possible and give them a great start for this new year. Okay, and I think this will be profitable for you. You can trade options accordingly if you can manage. You can increase the lot size if you have the risk appetite, and even if not, you can use the strategy and make decent extra money. Okay, trading is not what people say a fortune, but you can make a fortune with trading if you can be in the market over a long time, for a long time, right? So I hope you like this strategy. You can go and backtest it and let me know in the comment box if it is helpful or not. Make sure you join the Telegram channel. I share a lot of valuables in that. The Discord server where I share the trade setups, the entry exits of our crude, where we share the details of our course of GON for the crude. You can join in for that, and make sure you like and share this video with your friends and family. Okay, thank you. This is Adit Singh and I'm signing off.